Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. And so in last two all videos I had taught you the story about Wimberly, that whenever every time she is worried, in fact whenever she is standing in front of the balcony, also whenever at the playground also she is worried about the chain of the swings, it may be fall and she get hurt. And then also bolts of the on the side also, and bear of the jungle. So every time she is worried about herself. And whenever she is worried, she used to rub her doll ears, whose name is Petal. Then he's worried every time, so his father and mother and grandmother, he's just become very worried that every time she is worried, what's that matter. And then she just then on her birthday also nobody has came. In fact she shot enough cake also, she become very worried. And then after she also worried that whenever she is using to rub the Petal's ears, then she think that she again worried that if I will rub too much, then there is no ears left at all. Then she is worried every time. Then her parents think that why will not send her to school, better school, so that he can get over this all worriness. So her father just sent him a new school, and then there he met the friend whose name is Joel. And then both of Joel have a deer whose name is Niblet, and Wimberly has a doll whose name is Peter. So both are enjoying the days every time. Then Joel said that whenever I worried, I rub her nose. Then Niblet also, then Wimberly also said that I'm also whenever I'm worried, I also rubbed her ears. Then both are enjoying, then both are just playing and enjoying the days, and then both are just started to enjoy the days happily. So after that they don't have that much worriness. So I hope you guys understood the chapter. So I told that I will give you the word so that you can find out their meaning. So let's start. Then your first word is front yard. Write down this spelling. F as in fan, R as in rose, O as in orange, N as in nose, and T as in tiger. Y as in yak, A as in apple, R as in rose, and D as in dog. So what comes like FRONT, front, yard, YARD. Second word is worried. Write down the spelling. W as an watch, O as an orange, R as an rose, R as an rat, I as an ice cream, E as an ear, and D as an dog. So what comes like WORRIED, worried. Your next word is radiators. Write down the spelling. R as in rose, A as in apple, D as in dog, I as in ice cream, A as in apple, T as in tiger, O as in ox, R as in rose, and S as in sun. So what comes like RADIATORS, radiators. Next word is crack. Write down the spelling. C as an cow, R as an red, A as an axe, C as an crow, and K as an kite. So what comes like CRACK, crack. Next word is noise. Write down the spelling. N as a nose, O as an orange, I as an eyes, S as an sun, and E as an ears. So what comes like NOISE, noise. Next word is swings. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, W as an watch, I as an ice cream, N as an nose, G as an goat, and S as an sun. So what comes like SWING, swings. Next word is slide. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, L as in lion, I as in ice cream, D as in doll, and E as in ears. So what comes like SLIDE, slide. Next word is jungle gym. J as an jug, U as an umbrella, N as an nose, G as an gun, L as a lion, E as an ear, G as an gun, Y as an yak, and M as an mango. So what comes like JUNGLE, jungle, gym, GYM, gym. Again I am repeating, JUNGLE, jungle, GYM. So more words are there that I will give you in the next videos. So just watch more homework. For more information, you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.